Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Howdy. You want more information about how to build a smoker out of a fridge? These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to build a smoker out of a fridge is www.youtube.com. See the page titled DIY Convert an Old Refrigerator into a Meat Smoker, or here's the link. You can also try www.youtube.com, especially the page How to Build a Refrigerator Smoker, YouTube. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.smokingmeatforums.com. The web page How to Build a Fridge Smoker, smokingmeatforums.com. This is the link.